Wagwan, it's your boy Boom with a video for you. All you read the description already, I know that. You check. Welcome to the channel. You don't know, it's me flying downtown there to pick up my son and his friends. And then we're going to that falls, you know. We're going to try and have a nice time and free up ourselves. Okay? So stay tuned. We're bringing good vibes for all you. This is just the first video. Make sure you subscribe and more coming. Boom!
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Okay guys, well, all you don't see, I just come out and full my tank. Now I topping up my engine because I gonna go up a hill, you check, and I make sure everything will get nice and dandy. So guys, here we are in the same little supermarket of the gas station. and I go and buy some drinks, some snacks, because remember I going out with some teenagers, so they like snacks and they like drinks and this and that, and also I gonna get a few things for them. Yeah. Alright guys, yeah, I gonna call up my son and his friends and we roll in. You know already. we're gonna take a little pit stop there. We're gonna watch some beautiful villages down below. Yeah, villages like Waterfalls. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you see all there? All there is Rosa Valley. You know, even if it look like it is a countryside, but all that is part of Rosa. You know, it's called Rosa Valley because it's situated between two mountains, like it's in a valley. You know, you don't know. Right now, just a couple steps higher up now, we have Dominica's rainforest aerial tram. You know, it's an aerial tram, it's like a cat. Can take you over the mountains, over the valleys, way down south. Yeah, it's a nice experience. When you come to Dominica, make sure you try it. Alright, my people. Yeah, we reach. There's the entrance of the falls. You check? But it's going to take about 45 minutes before we reach. So let's see what's popping. Yeah, stay tuned. Imagine, my son and them run already, we boy, run up there, we boy. I can see the waterfall running, we. Yeah, them and leave me and go. No friend. And me not bringing them waterfall, eh? My cousin, me and my cousin alone are remain there. Yeah.
Falls again. Fucking bless, boy. Ah ouais.
Alright, let's see my son catch a crab.
It tastes my kitchen.
What do you mean? But I don't think it's hunting season now, we can't catch crab.
But let me put it in my plastic
What are you going to do? So, you want to cook it then?
I don't even know.
Let's leave it there, man. Yeah. We have enough time for that. You don't go and cook that nowhere. When you come back, you'll meet it again. Huh? How you saying, boy? Huh? They call that the seaweed, guys. It's a type of crab. It's our local crab in the hills, in the mountains. Seaweed. Alright.
Have your water? Okay. Let's take your time. You have all the day. I opened to see a snake because I never saw a bigger snake.
A bigger snake?
No, I never saw a snake. Like,
I'll hold it for you. Let me see one, I'll make you hold it.
Yeah.
You afraid them, man?
No.
Oh?
Yes, I never see one. Only on the videos I see one.
Okay.
You go.
Huh? But we haven't halfway yet. But the biggest joke I tell you, man, my brother. They are not easy. I don't know how them old people do that. Last time I got there, some old people I was with. Yeah, when you see the sun coming out.
It's got big pushing composite there.
Josh. Yeah, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it, man. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. I want to put that part on the video. Yeah. Huh? Guys, it's a journey. I'm telling you, it's rough. But let's go. We're not stopping. We roll in. Let's roll. Rah! Yeah. We're tougher than tough. Let's go. We have more places to go. What do you want? Just so it's not hilly again, you know. It's going up for a while, then after going to get flat. Just beat that plastic now and then.
Right there you getting flat too?
I know it is, man. Long you don't do them thing.
Yeah.
See, I cannot tire too because long I don't do them thing there.
Feel nice for me, I don't worry.
Ah boy.
One instead Daniel, the tall guy.
What is it now, brother? How you doing? You good?
Smile boy, smile.
You okay? We there.
3, 2, 1, push up, come.
How you saying, son?
I did.
How you enjoying the vibes?
Good.
Yeah, man. How you mean? We gonna make it to the waterfall.
Yeah. You know, when
Also
you're
right there.
When you're between the waterfall, you'll be all wetted. When you come down, you just boom, coming down.
Yeah, we go in. Boy, that's a nice feeling. I like that. Guys, I want to go everywhere in Dominica. You check? Everywhere. We go in foreign and we appreciating foreign. And then foreigners coming down Dominica and enjoy our place. You check for us. So, this is the first one. I will learn how to edit them videos properly and whatever. But I gonna... If it a what? Rabbits? No. Manico and agoutis. Huh? No.
So what did you eat now?
Rabbit?
No.
Agouti and thing?
Yeah.
Fruits and roots. Fruits, vegetables, roots, nuts, seeds. You check? Now the manico now eating everything. Everything it have. Sorry. From dead animal. Yeah, man. From dead animal to poo to baby pamper. They eat everything they meat. And it's the nastiest animal we have, nastier than rat. And people say the meat nicer than the agouti way. People just get that browsy one. Yeah.
Because before, pig used to kill goats or some, like,
Pig. They say pig.
Like a pig and pig used to eat all of that stuff.
Yeah. They say pig is the nastiest animal. But pig nice way. Madman. A stew pork nice way.
I don't know what the thing I was watching. The pork fat. Very nice.
Yeah. Quicksand? Quicksilver?
Clay. You hear that?
Right there. Hear the bird. It have a bird. People just say, right? People hardly seen it, but it's whistling. Right there. Let's see if I can call it. Okay, guys. Right now, we reach an intersection. You know, over the street, that is the trail continuing on the Whitey Kubuli trail. I'm going down so now is the falls. They have a little thing there. They can screen save it and read it. See? They can pause the video and read it. The map. You read that, bro? A white man not on there, bro. Look at it. I read it last time. That man name, what is his name there? Look at it. Archibald. I don't gonna read it again, I read it last time.
Yeah.
After, by the First World War. Yeah, man. You hearing something? You hearing it over there then? You hearing the waterfall over there? Josh, you hearing it? You hearing it? The waterfall. You can see it from there. You can see it from there. Nah, we're not close yet. But it's so big, it's loud. You get waterfall over there. You see there? We're close. Where the water coming from, Josh? By something I just think of. This is under the grey, guys. We're almost there. You can get a little sneak peek. I don't know if you can see it through the trees. Big old boy that there. Down there, what? Don't watch down there. Huh? No, that was spot. Come on. By the waterfall. Come on. Down at the waterfall, guys. I just see that little figure road there. But I climb that thing there just to see what I see in there. I thought they have a pool. It's not really big, but you don't know you can come there and sit down there, but I don't know already. Do it. Guys, when you come there, when you reach there, drink a little water, yeah? Drink a little water like that. Right there.
Nature, 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 nature.
Ah!
Yeah.
Ah!
Nature.
Boy, that's nice! What are you doing? Are you sitting down watching TV? Come and drink water in the bush! We reach it, guys, we reach it! Let's go closer. Let's go closer. Come. Never been there? Then, all you don't know what all you're missing. Check what I said in there. Guys, it took us about 45 minutes. 45 minutes to reach there. The man down there, the boss said he do the event thing.
Oh boy.
My brother!
Yeah,
Whoa! Whoa! Dominica! You gotta go there. Don't you go too close to that edge there, my bro. Come. Come on there, boy. Come. Boy, that's not roughing. See that? See that, guys? See that? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Dominica. Yeah! Beautiful Dominica. Get up in all your bed. Wake up from all your bed. Come outside and free up in the place. You understand? See that about Dominica right there, boy. Watch that here. I'll show you that here. That looking like a excavator coming and dig that here, boy. Watch that. What's that, my brother? See that? Man cannot build them thing. Man can never build that. How long are we 10 hours, man? Big up the video. Respect. What's your name, bro?
Rakil.
Rakil?
Yeah, Rakil. Jordan.
And Conrad there.
Conrad.
The original shutter.
Yeah.
Look it, guys! Look it! Look it there! Pressure! Feel that wind! Feel that wind! Feeling that shit! Blowing us! Yeah! Pressure! Ha! That's what they do. What do you mean, boys?
That's a four. You want to
It's not a four.
I know I friend.
Oh, the money never again. You man, man. We're good. Let's go now. Follow me. In the hole. Yeah. In the hole. I will. And my cutters there. My cutters there. In the hole we're going. Let's go.
Why? Nobody has people.
In the hole. Okay, we have flash now. See that hole there? Make sure you go in that hole. Hold on, you come there. Make sure all you go in that hole. Hold on, you come there. Yeah. Okay. All right. We're coming out there now because rain catch us. Yeah, rain catch us. Enough rain down there, you check? And we start to feel cold. So we decided we're coming out. Yeah, so we're going back. Them fellas done left already. Just me and my son and his partner that there, his cousin, fat boy. So we're back. We're going back to the bus. First we come out there. Stay tuned. Huh? Kas nek there like. Huh? Huh? You lie, you get friend. Enjoy your life before it leave you. I'm not ready. You look down there. Huh? Okay guys, we make it to the checkpoint. Check. The man and them there. Everybody there checking their scene. You check? We just drying up for a little while before we roll. Little time, don't roll. Yeah. Stay tuned. We'll show you when we reach Jungtown. Bless up.
So babes, tell me what do you think about them Hobbit houses there? First time I see that is in Lord of the Rings there. Never said that nowhere in my life.
One thing them make a house nice. You are.
Go put it up a certain level. Get the lights on.
Okay guys, that is gonna do it for the video. If you watch till that end, thank you. If you like what you saw, or if you like what you've seen still, please like, share, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. You know, give me a comment, tell me your honest opinion. It's just my first video. I'm gonna get better equipments and learn how to edit a little better. You know what I'm saying? So your support important. Bless up. Peace. You know already. Boom.